What really excites me about being a spine surgeon is we treat a variety of conditions, from herniated discs to spinal stenosis to complex scoliosis. And in all of these conditions, we do our very best to get patients the best quality of life possible. What's special about Summa is that we have fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeons in all areas of orthopedics. So patients may come in with a neck or back issue, but it may be coming from their shoulder or hip, and we have experts in the field to take care of those conditions. We have new techniques to perform spinal fusions in a minimally invasive fashion. Whenever possible, we use minimally invasive techniques to perform our surgeries, which leads to less blood loss, shorter hospital stays, smaller incisions, and better patient outcomes. People come in with very debilitating problems, and every day I feel honored and privileged that our patients entrust us with their care to get them back to doing the things that they love to do.